Hi guys, hope you're all keeping well. Well, we haven't been on here for a while, so I thought we'd give a bit of an update how the Range Rover repair's going. So if you remember last time, I think we were just putting the roof on, the new roof. So right, let's give a bit of an update as to where we are with that. Well, there you go, the new roof is on. Yeah, not too bad. We're going to rub this down. As you can see, we've started already, and then we're going to have a go at painting it ourselves. Bought some spray paint equipment, I'll show you in a bit. And so today we are having a go at these areas. We have to apply some filler in here, get this nice, get this sprayed up. Got some primer, a highball primer on the way. Some here, and then we're going to have to seal in all the holes where the spot welds were. So we've welded all the roof in along both sides and the back. Yeah, we did come across a little bit of a problem with this new roof. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, the new roof's got a GPS antenna, so we decided to we're going to fill that over, paint it up. Windscreen, still need to get a windscreen. I've got my eye on one. Guy originally wanted 200 quid for it. I offered him 1.5. He's not playing. So we'll just stick with that for a bit and see if we can get one at the right money. Okay, so that's our spray gun. So we're going to have a go at spraying this ourselves. Got some paint on order, some primer. So this is a low pressure, low volume spray gun. I know absolutely nothing about spraying or spray guns, but I've educated myself over the past few weeks. So I'm told this is probably the one to go for. It's only a budget gun. 1.4mm nozzle, 600ml paint store. Additionally, got a water trap and regulator to control the air pressure into the gun, which I'm told is the way to do it, rather than use the gun control for air pressure, which you should leave wide open. So there's the gun. 3M disposable respirator. Some tack cloths, some P38, loads of masking tape, brushes for sealer, etc. And loads of dust cloths to make a bit of a tent up around the parts for the car. Okay, so I'm going to put a layer of filler over the GPS antenna mount. GPS antenna delete. Okay. There you go, guys. One GPS antenna delete. I just want to show you this, guys. So this came this morning. So this is 5 litres of thinners, and I don't need to tell you that that is flammable. Yeah. Okay. And I can tell you, it came in a box just like this, and I can also tell you that in this box there's also something flammable. These people should be sending these things through on the couriers with DG labels on to tell everyone who's carrying it around that there are, there is flammable material in these boxes. It's a sunny day today, and these things shouldn't be sat around in the heat, and that's where you're going to get a fire. And also as well, this is damaged because, so luckily it didn't leak, and the box that came in didn't even have orientation arrows on like this one has. Guys, if we're sending anything through through carriers like this, let's make sure that we're keeping everybody safe. Oh, it's coming along a treat, guys. There's a few areas that we've rubbed down, added a little bit of filler, get rid of some blemishes, a few spots here and there. So one here, oh, yeah, that was a bit of a dent where the roof fell over. We had it in the back garden. There's another one there, we're just adding a little bit to the surface. The most difficult bit for me, because I'm not a body person, is this rail here. So I've just add a little bit more on the surf. I think we've got to put some more in there, but we'll get there. We'll get in there. That's where the horse landed on it. Yeah, we're not gonna repair this. I've located a door. Yeah, a bit of corrosion coming through there as well. Located a door, so we're going to replace this door like for like. Paint. I'd rather muck about. I think I might have to change the window though. The door located hasn't got a window in it. Well, it has, but it's got a tinted window in it. I've also located a new mirror as well. So the jobs for next week, I shan't do think the weekend, I've got plans the weekend. Next week we'll finish off the roof, get that ready for priming, and then the next job after that will be to sort out why this bumper is not level. Something's wrong on this, so I need to have a look at it, and then need to better prepare that for priming as well. Right, I'm going to call that a day, guys. That'll do for today, I think. Yeah, it's coming on. It's coming on. Considering some people said that's an impossible task, you'll never do it. I think we're doing all right. We're doing all right. I'm not a body person, as I said, so don't be overcritical with the old bodywork there. But happy to take your comments if you want to give me some suggestions in the comments box below. Right, okay guys, take it easy and we'll see you soon. Take care.